Alright guys, in this video we're going to go over the Merch Archive module in Merch Informer. The Merch Archive module lets you search up historical dates and see what the best sellers were so you can get an idea of what type of cyclical trends might be coming around or niches you want to target for certain times of the year. So let's jump in and check out how it works. Alright, so once you're in Merch Informer, you're going to come down and you're going to click on this little box that looks like a filing box. And let's say we wanted to know what was the best-selling t-shirt at the end of November last year. You know, heading into Christmas, you might want to know what is going to be doing well. So let's jump over on November 30th. So we're right after Black Friday, starting to get into the peak of the selling season. All right, after it finishes searching, it's going to return to you the top 500 selling shirts for whatever date you picked in the history. So it's going to tell you that lowest price, the highest price, and the average price. So 1831 is an average price for selling on November 30th. And it's going to show you what the top shirts were. So we had, gaming t-shirts, Shane Dawson, of course, up there. This is my Christmas pajama shirt. So Christmas shirts are selling well at this time of year, and video game shirts seem to be doing pretty well. So, Believe in Santa. Some of these you got to look through and make sure you're not running into trademark or copyright issues. You Can't Scare Me, I'm pretty sure, has a trademark out there. I love it when my mom lets me play video games. Sarcasm, Here Fishy Fishy Fishy. All of these are going to give you ideas of what niches to attack at certain times of the year to see when they're selling the best. Don't come in here and make the shirts that's there already because they're going to own the search results. There's no reason to do that. You're going to have to be able to come in and tackle this niche better. So uncle, godfather, and hero. So uncles and godfathers. I bet you could do some better designs than this that can tackle that niche in a different way and bring something unique to the market. Alright guys, that's the Merch Archive module in Merch Informer. And thank you Merch Informer for setting up an amazing discount for this community. If you guys haven't yet, ryanaraymond.com/MIyearly to save $618 off your yearly subscription to Merch Informer Pro. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.